Hey everyone, it's Danny with Watches.com, and today I'm going to show you the Rogue Automatic by Archetype. This watch has a super cool, unusual case shape, and you can see the mechanics through the dial, which is one of the signatures of Archetype. So let's show you what it looks like and get into it. The Archetype packaging is pretty cool. It's got this three-dimensional logo on the top. Crack it open, and there it is. Alright, so the Rogue Automatic has this really cool dial that we talked about where they cut out portions so you can see down into the mechanics. Also, it features 2 time zones and then an AM/PM indicator at the 12-hour. The Rogue has a really nice, genuine leather strap with a croc stamp. And then let's check out the exhibition Caseback, showing off that rotor and all the mechanics. I mean, for the price, this thing is pretty sweet. Let's see how it is on the wrist. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, you can check out this watch and 1,000 other cool timepieces on Watches.com. Thanks, and see you next time.